go. Are we recording now? I hope so. Game. Alright, obviously, I suck at being the beast. I might as well just let everyone win. Wait, seriously? You started this game like a long time ago, and yet somehow there's still only four computers to be hacked. This is a bunch of bull.
Bull.
This is a bunch of bull.
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 Bull, I say.
Bull.
Yes, guys, I'm playing with Rachel, and of course, as you can tell, I am framing as crap, and also I got a computer. I am recording Roblox with a computer. Yay! I just don't know how well the audio will work. Hopefully, it will be at least good enough to record with. Alright. So, Rachel's in this game. Her name is Batman Joker 2000. Batman _ Joker 2000. And apparently I am the highest level player in the game. Everyone else is 1. I'm at level 12.
I am stuck in the door.
At least, oh, thank God.
Thank you, ma'am.
The game isn't so framey anymore, so thank God.
It's not framey for me anymore either.
Well, it was never framey for you. It's just simply you don't count.
Yes, I do count.
My game is still framey, but like it's not as framey. There we go. God, I need to work on my commentary. Whoa, hi.
Hello, how are you today?
You're not even in the same room as me, which I don't want to hear it. Are you? Wait. Somebody decided to hack that computer. Oh my God, I am not. This game is not working. Oh, look, someone can join the game. I just don't know who will join the game. I wonder who will join the game. Right. Hello? Hello? I don't want to be the beast. I hate being the beast. Whoa, okay. This isn't right. Whoa, why am I going so fast? I didn't even use my runner. Alright. What?
Excuse me? What was that?
It only seems that someone has crashed their computer again.
It seems I have.
It was you guys, wasn't it?
No.
Really? Then who are you guys?
I don't know who you are.
Come here. Yes, I got one of you guys. Haha.
I will to set her as long as you don't be a turd.
Hey, Rachel, I didn't even catch you. I don't want to hear it from you.
So you are not allowed to capture.
What are you talking about? I captured one of you guys.
That's not cool.
Rachel, I didn't even capture you. I don't want to hear you complaining.
She's still part of my team.
Oh, so she's part of your team now. I guess someone got bored of me being the beast and they left. Oh no, wait. I'm stuck. No. No. Get back here.
Hey, where'd that lady go? Excuse me, ma'am. Run, lady, run! Don't worry, I will save you at some point today.
Alright, here we go. I grabbed her head, apparently. This is not great. Alright.
We will save you, just not right now.
Hi, Rachel, I can see you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I do.
Where am I at?
You're upstairs. You're up here.
I am not upstairs.
Hi, lady. What? Wait, is there no freezers up here? No, there's no freezers up here. Hi, Rachel, I can see you down there. Hi, Rachel.
Hello.
Eh.
How are you today?
I kind of want to capture you.
No, you don't. What makes you want to capture me?
I'm going to capture you, Rachel.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Where are you, Rachel?
I'm hiding.
I don't know where you are, so unfortunately, it's going to be a while before I found you.
Yes, indeed, the way.
Won't run the me again.
It will be a long time before you find me.
Oh, great! You guys got another computer.
Yeah.
And it looks like when you guys crashed it.
It wasn't me. I'm running.
I know it wasn't you, Rachel. It was those other girls who were up there.
It's big fools.
They are just crashing the computer badly.
The big fools.
Those are fools. Hi, Rachel.
Oh, nuts.
You are.
Nuts and balls.
Get back here. Get over here. I'll get one of you guys. You, pink hair girl. I somehow missed.
Big fool.
I will get one of you. One of you will be captured. One of you will be captured. Hi, Rachel. Hi. Get over here. No, I missed. No. Freaking. Get over here. Oh, crap. I lost you. Oh, hi.
Oh, nuts.
I lost you again. No, I lost you. I lost you again. No. Well,
I'm just too good.
you guys are going to escape. That's sad. It's going to upset me. I am lost in this maze. What was that?
You're lost.
I am lost. I need to get out of here. Why do they make you get lost in these mazes? Oh, wait, there's one right there. There's an exit.
That's not where I exited because it closed the door behind me.
Yeah. Hi, what's up, lady?
Hey, what's up, lady?
Don't tell me I actually missed.
You missed.
Get over here. Yes. Urgh. My revenge. Stand still.
Stand still. No, I'm not gonna stand still, you fool.
Trap. Thank you. Finally, I trapped somebody. The entire time I was here, I finally trapped somebody. Alright, now I'm just gonna puppy. Oh no, I'm just gonna puppy. Stop! Come on!
I freed her.
You jerk! Alright, I'm gonna find you. I'm lost. I can't see. I will find you, and all of you will pay for what you have done.
I'm sure we will.
Yeah, you won't. I can't see you. You guys escaped. Alright. Obviously, you have proven yourself worthy of me not being the beast. This is like the worst beast play I have ever played. Oh, really? Are you serious?
I am serious.
Somebody crashed a computer.
That would be Baby Girl 9 pounds.
Baby girl 9 pounds. That's a really weird username. Oh no. Oh no, they only gotta hack one more computer. No! I will not be fooled by a group of girls.
Indeed you will, actually.
Is that so? Hi! I got one.
Of course you did.
I got one! Alright. Sit still!
Sit still.
Sit still! Stop moving! Come on! Why is her head back here? No! I am never gonna win. I am never gonna win. What? No! 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 Runner! 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 Gotcha. Gotcha. Gotcha again. Alright, let's go! Alright, let's see. I'm gonna freeze you. I'm gonna freeze you here.
Don't puppy guard.
I am gonna puppy guard anyway.
That would be shit thing.
Well, I'm already losing, so why can't I just get
Was she freed?
Yeah, she was freed.
Yeah, and I opened both exits.
No! Let me guess, you escaped. Oh, hello! Hi! Hi, what's up? No, 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 no! No!
Alright, peace out.
Screw you, Batman Joker 2000!
You're welcome.
I hate this game. I achieved nothing! I got 0 XP and 0 C's. I don't know what the C's do, but okay.
Woo hop!
Woo hop. Rachel, stop.
I said woo hop.
You're teasing me now. You're being mean. Jesus, you can't just judge me for not being
Woo
good
hop.
at... Stop judging me. Okay, so I can only...
Wait, are you screen recording?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, I only have like 10... I can only do 5 more minutes of this video. So what... So what...
I
So...
am at low battery. 13%.
Oh. Alright, well, I'm going to,
Woo hop!
No, I'm actually going to...
I'm going to get that Roblox.
Actually, I don't know. Well, alright, bye, Rachel. Rachel? Bye.
What?
Rachel? How's it going? You doing good?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Rachel. Hi, Rachel.
I have actually exited Roblox.
Yeah, I know. It's just weird how you're still standing here.
Hello, me. I'm so pretty.
You are not.
I am.
You are weird looking.
Beautiful.
So, I guess I'm just gonna end it here.
Yep.
Oh, if I'm gonna be the Beast, I'm gonna be very upset. Even though I was just the Beast. Oh, I'm a survivor. And
I probably would have ended up being the Beast.
Oh, probably. Well, according to this, the Beast is Raindrop _ Cake 7. But that doesn't matter right now. Oh, look. Oh, great. 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 There's just a figure right there. But it doesn't matter anyway, because I'm about... That was great. That was like the best game of Facility I've ever played.
Because you lost?
No, because the Beast left.
Oh.
Well, that's about it.